Hey, it's Aurelius Tjin from unstoppableplr.com, helping you build your audience and income with private label content. If you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe so then you'll receive the latest tips, training, and tutorials to help you make the most out of PLR. And at any time, if you find any of this video helpful, click that like button. All right, so in this video, I want to teach you how to make money with PLR products. More specifically, the 7 ways in which you can make money with PLR products. Be sure to watch the entire video so you don't miss out on any important points and potentially any ideas that could bring you and move you to the next step forward. So over to my screen, I'm going to teach you how to make money with PLR products. More specifically, again, the 7 ways to make money with PLR. Now, as you can see, the first point I want to make is that this is something I have made thousands of dollars on, and that is to create a quote-unquote mega pack. You combine multiple products. This is a great way to increase value and over-deliver on what your customers pay for. Now, how much to price it? It really depends how many products you are going to include in your mega pack. It could be 5 products, it could be 10 products, it could be 20 products or more. And that will determine how much to price your mega pack. What I like to do is combine or create a theme for the mega pack. So let's say you want to create a mega pack around social media. You would then find, or perhaps even find on your computer, if you already have any social media products. It could be something around Facebook, it could be Instagram, it could be anything around YouTube, LinkedIn, anything to do with social media. This could be the very first mega pack that you create. Now, if you want to take it a step deeper and even narrow it down even more, you could create a, let's say, a Facebook mega pack where you only include Facebook PLR products. Obviously, you don't sell PLR, but you're selling perhaps master resale rights, or just personal use rights to general consumers. And if you want to learn the differences between PLR, master resale rights, and personal use rights, I'll link up a card just above this video, so then you can go to that if you want to learn more about what the differences are, because I think I feel that it's good to have a good understanding as to what the differences are before you actually start reselling PLR content and products. So that's the first way, and actually one profitable way that I've been implementing and integrating into my business, into my sales funnels. So that is the first way to make money with PLR. The second way is through affiliate sales. If you want to make more commissions, if you want to increase more and increase your conversion rates, then I highly suggest offering PLR products as a bonus. It's not just a matter of throwing a bunch of PLR products and you'll make a lot more affiliate sales. You have to make sure that the products that you're providing as bonuses are highly related to the product that you are promoting. So let's say you're promoting an internet marketing product. You would make sure that the PLR products that you are including in your bonus pack is internet marketing related, and of course not self-improvement or personal development related. And this is one of the things that you need to make sure you be mindful of when you're creating your affiliate bonus pack. There are, to be able to stand out amongst all the other affiliates, you need to make sure that you offer something of value. And a way to boost that obviously is by using PLR products. And I use this in my business, and I use this strategy for promoting other vendors' launches, and it's increased conversion rates. Usually without a bonus, I convert at about 15%. And with bonuses, I could convert anywhere between 20% to 30%. So it's a huge difference there. All right, moving on to the next way to make money with PLR. You can actually sell PLR products on Fiverr. Now, digital products are allowed, and usually with Fiverr, people offer services. So usually services like logo designing, editing some videos, or creating intros and outros. These are the types of services that you normally see on Fiverr, but it's not restricted to that at the moment. Hopefully it does stay the way it is, and that you're allowed to sell digital products. And it's important also to note what the terms and conditions are of that PLR, and by looking at the PLR license provided by the PLR seller. So those are the terms that you need to ensure you read through and make sure, perhaps even to see if you can sell it on Fiverr. With my PLR products at unstoppableplr.com, you are allowed to, of course, because I'm teaching this, but it's one way and one platform where you can put the PLR product up for sale. And how much to price it at, it depends on you. But Fiverr, by keeping Fiverr's tradition, you can sell it at $5, and that's a great way to start selling PLR products. I've seen my own customers do this, and they have sold quite a lot off on Fiverr. The great thing about selling on Fiverr is you obviously don't need to sell the same products as everyone else. You can actually rebrand the product, and hopefully you're able to edit the product in a way so then you can make it somewhat unique and different, alter the product so then it's different to others who are selling the same product. The first and biggest thing that you can do to make a change is by redesigning the PLR product. This might take you a day, it might take you 2 days max, but in the end, you are separating yourself amongst all the other resellers online. So let's move on to the next one. You can also make money with PLR by building an email list. You build an email list by offering a PLR product for free when people subscribe to your email list. And again, you need to ensure that you read the PLR license and the terms and conditions of that PLR product that you purchased either from me or another vendor. With my PLR products, you are granted rights to give away the PLR product if you wish. There's actually a law that states that you can't fix a price that people must sell the product for. So therefore, I can't set and restrict you in terms of how much you should be selling a PLR product. What I can do at most is suggest how much you should sell the product for. And my suggestion is usually $7. So that's just a little side note there. But you're able to build an email list by offering a PLR product. So if you don't have anything to give away, like a lead magnet or some other incentive, then use one of the PLR products that you have already on your hard drive, and that will be basically your main lead magnet for people to subscribe to and for. So this way, once you build an email list, you can monetize it by doing promotional emails, by sending people to a product you're an affiliate of. And that's what I mean by building an email list. And that is how you'll be able to make money with PLR. All right, the fifth way is to create a membership site. Everyone loves recurring income. These days, you see a lot of tools and products which were once a one-off sort of paid product, such as Adobe. So you look at Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere, Illustrator. They were once something where you purchase once, you install it, and that's it. No recurrings, no ongoing payments or plans. You can also see, as an example, Netflix. They charge on a monthly basis. You've got also some of the things through the App Store that are subscription base. The stories can go on and on about a subscription business. Everyone is turning to a subscription-based model. And this is one of the things I highly focus on in my business personally. I've got a PLR membership, and I've got an online business community membership where I coach others on online business. So this is one way to be able to create a membership site by using PLR content you have already, or by purchasing more PLR products. You are given kind of a kickstart with the content that you can put on to a membership site. So if you don't have any content to put on a potential membership site idea of yours, then PLR content is a great way to stop procrastinating and start putting content to your membership site that could serve of value to your members. If you have an existing website or memberships website, that is, then use PLR content also to add that extra bit of value if you want to provide more training and tips to your members. Because in the end, if you are not constantly communicating and engaging with members, then the retention rate will drop. You'll see a lot of members canceling their subscription. So by keeping them engaged, now, PLR content doesn't have to be the primary source of membership benefit. You can use PLR content to continually give valuable tips and training to your members, via email and by just posting it to your membership site. You could let them know that there's a daily tip or a daily update or a weekly tip there that you've just posted onto your membership site. That's where PLR content comes handy. All right, let's move on to the next way, and that is to create an ebook store. You'll see like a lot of e-commerce stores where, and Amazon is an example of, actually a great example of an ebook store, or more so a bookstore. But you can model this and create your own ebook store where you feature all of these ebooks that you've purchased with PLR, and people are able to add things to their cart and then check out, and perhaps check out with 5 or 10 ebooks in one purchase. So that is another way. You can use something like WooCommerce, which is a plugin for WordPress, which is an e-commerce platform, and you're able to do things like add products, add a description, set your prices there, and customers are able to add items, multiple items at once, and then check out via PayPal or Stripe, whatever payment method. So this is a great way to create an ebook store. One tip again is to make sure that you have some sort of unique twist, or, as they say, a USP, unique selling proposition for your ebook store. You don't just want to be another general bookstore selling everything and anything and all topics. You could differentiate yourself by becoming a top self-help or self-development, personal development ebook store. You could theme your ebook store as a spiritual ebook store, or it could be an ebook store around social media. Whatever theme you can come up with, that the narrower you go down, the more you'll stand out. But again, this may also mean that not many people are searching for it, but be sure also to do your research and to ensure that there is an audience for that. This is something I actually did when I started back around 2004. I started an ebook store in addition to selling ebooks on eBay, which is not allowed these days. They've ended the digital products or digital items of selling that on eBay. So, but that's what I did. I sold ebooks on eBay. Then I kind of informed my eBay customers that I do have an ebook store, and this is where you can go to purchase ebooks or more ebooks of mine. So lastly, the seventh way is the most obvious way, is to just resell any PLR products that you have purchased, and you resell this to an existing email database of yours. You resell it to using solo ads and buying solo ads off of other email list holders or owners. And that's one of the most obvious ways to make money online with PLR. It's to just resell it as is. Usually with PLR products, or at least done for you PLR products, you're given all the material, all the sales materials that you need to start reselling the product right away. And this includes the sales page and perhaps even the lead magnet and the opt-in page. So you're given that funnel where you can start reselling it right away. So those are the 7 ways to make money with PLR. Hope you got a lot of value from this video. If you did, then hit that like button to let me know, so then I can create more videos like this, and if it does resonate with you. And if you're not a subscriber yet, be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell notification icon, so then you'll actually be alerted of any new videos I post up on this channel. Thanks again for watching this video, and if you want to learn more about PLR, be sure to watch this next video here.